Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50e and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, let me go back quickly, we have to scroll and localize the apps. Let's tap. Now we have to tap on see all 52 apps, of course 52 in my case. So let's tap on it and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset up preferences, and here we've got the information what it will actually reset, I mean our device what will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.